Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios in Cardiff here. You join me in this 2018 Hyundai i10. This had the infamous sat-nav unit which failed, so you can go to Hyundai and look around £4,000 to £5,000 for a new unit, or you can come to us and we can stick a lovely KENWOOD DMX6523DABS in like we've done in this one. This model has wired and wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, meaning the customer has lots of new features like being able to use the navigation from their phone, things like Spotify, Siri, Hey Google, and much more. Some more features of this radio include digital radio. To show you some of the channels we put on for the customer, so we put a couple on there. You can also choose from lots and lots on the list. Just show you there. Some more features include wireless mirroring radio, so your FM, AM radio, Bluetooth audio for phones that aren't Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a USB input. On this car we've kept the USB port working down there, as well as keeping the steering wheel controls working as well. This model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. If there's something you're interested in for your vehicle, please let us know.